So this is today's painting. I did start to video this, but I just made a complete mess of it and switched the video off in disgust and just carried on without the camera rolling. Didn't turn out so bad in the end, but that was probably because I stopped filming and I could just concentrate completely on the painting. Never cease to amaze me the texture and rock effects you can get with just a few seconds with a card. Just nice and subtle. It just looks like cliffs along the coastal path. A little bit of gouache for the waves there and those little yachts in the distance. And then a bit more gouache for all the seagulls. So I'll probably put this in my... I've recently started an Etsy shop. I'll have to get round to putting the link in the description below. I'll sort that out soon. But that's today's painting. Little coastal scene.